problem to you and we're going to work on it together, okay? All right, so Elaine and Mike were picking blueberries. And Elaine had 19 blueberries. Here's our 19. And she ate 10 of them. And Mike over here had 13 and he picked 7 more. So we have to see. So here it is, Elaine, and she has 19. But remember, she ate 10 of them. So what do we need to do? Aiden. Let's leave our hair alone, Aiden. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. Are we ready? Do you think we can do it? Okay, so let's see. So we have 19. So we need to cross off 10 of these. Can you do that for me, Aiden? Cross off 10 of those circles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so let's see what's left. We ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there is 9 blueberries left that Elaine has because she ate a lot of them. So let's put 9 right here for me. Good job. All right, bud. So let's see. Mike has 13, but he picked 7 more. What do we need to do there? You need to add? We do need to add, but how many are we going to add? So how many more did he pick? 7. Good job. So look, can you draw 7 more blueberries for me? 6, 7. Perfect. So how many do we have now? If here's 13, and now we're going to add 7 more. Let's count these together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my goodness, it's a lot of blueberries, right? So can you write 20 for me? Good job. I love it. Okay. So we have the numbers 9 and 20. Now we need to see which number is less than, greater than, or equal to. So what is 9? Is 9 less than, greater than, or equal to 20? What do you think, Aiden? You think it's less than? Right? Because if we have 9 and then we have 20, 9 is way less than 20. You're right. Can you write the less than symbol right there for me? Perfect. Awesome job. I love it. All right. So now we're going to go to our next problem. So we're looking at our place value numbers. So remember we learned about our 1s and our 10s. Do we remember that? Okay. So we need to figure out, so we have the first number, which is 28. So we have our 2 in the 10th place and our 8 in our 1's place. And we have the number 37. So there we have our 3 in our 10th place and our 7 in our 1's place. We need to figure out, is 28 less than 37, greater than, or are they equal to each other? 28 is greater than? Are you sure? 28 is greater than 37. Do we want to double check that? We can look at our numbers chart, or do you want to think about that again? It's less than, so let's see. If we're on our numbers chart, here's 28. And look at 37 is down here. So we know 28 is less than. You're right. So can you put that less than symbol there for me? Good job. All right. And now we have the number 37. So 37, now we're switching them. So is 37 less than or greater than or equal to 28 now? Now it's greater than, you're right, because we flipped those numbers. So we want to put that greater sign right there. 37 is greater than 28. Awesome job. Do we understand that? Show me alligator hands. So that's our what? Which one is our less than? Show me less than. Oh, well, that is our greater than. Remember, so it's going to eat our bigger numbers. So remember, if I have a number 15 and then I have a number 27, which is the greater? Which one does the alligator want to eat? The big number, right? So he's going to eat the second number. If my big number is the first number, like in 37, it wants to eat them this way. It wants to eat those big, big numbers. So we want to pay attention when we're making the alligator mouth the right way. But you did a great job right here. I'm so proud of you. And let's work on our next problem. Okay? Let's see. You did a really good job. I want to see what else you can do, though. We got to keep working on these numbers. Okay, so we have numbers. So I have 16 here and 14 over here. So these are going to be a little trickier. So here we need to look at which one is greater. Aiden, do you know which one is greater? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. Are we ready? Okay, so let's see. 16 and 14. So on these ones, we need to look at our tens place and our ones place. So our tens both have a 1, so they're very similar, right? They both have a 1 there. Let's look at our ones place. This one has a 4 and this one has a 6. What do you think? Aiden? Do you think the 6 is bigger or smaller? Which one? Show me. Which one is greater or less than? What is the 6? Is it greater than or less than or equal to 4? It's greater than, you're right. So that means 16 is greater than 14. So let's try the next one. So the next one is 53 and 55. So let's see. Our tens place have the same 5. We're almost done, bud. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Good job. All right. So we ready? Okay, let's try again. So 53 and 55. So like I said, our tens, there we are. They're same 5s. Let's look at our ones place. We have a 5 there and a 3. Let's look. 5 and 3. Which one is bigger? Show me on your hands. 5 or the 3? The 5 is bigger, right? So let's see. So that means what? Is 53 less than or greater than or equal to 55? It is less than. Great job, bud. You're doing awesome. All right, let's look at our next one. So we have 89 and 81. I know, honey. I know. Hang in there. We're almost done. You're doing so good. So 89, is it less than or greater than 81? Let's look at our ones. Remember, we said our tens place is the same, right? See that? 8 and 8. Look at our ones. There's a 9 here and a 1 over there on 81. So 89, is it greater than, less than, or equal to 81? Show me on the signs, or show me your alligator hand. It's greater than. Good job. You're doing so good. All right, one more. So we have the number 20 and we have the number 21. Let's see if you can get this one. 20 and 21. Is it 20 less than, greater than, or equal to 21? It's equal. Are you sure? Let's look at our number line. We have 20 right here and 21. Which one is bigger? So 20 is less than 21? Yep, you sure? Final answer? All right, good job. You are correct. 20 is less than 21. So here we have 20 and next comes 21. So 21 is bigger. Good job, buddy. All right, Aiden. So we have this paper here. We're going to work on some more, but you're going to do these all by yourself. So I'm going to give you 10 minutes. All of our friends, we're all going to have 10 minutes, and we're going to do as many as we can in 10 minutes, okay? I want you just to try your best. You're going to do fine. You've been doing really good. Here's your number chart if you need to look at it, okay? So I need you to do as many as you can. I'm going to leave you right here, and I'm just going to be here while you're working, okay? Go ahead, bud. You're okay, honey. You're doing good. Let's just take our time. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. It's okay. Try your best, buddy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.